The engine is off. The radio is silent. You are parked in your own driveway. The house is right there, maybe 20 feet away. You can see the warm light coming from the living room window. You know you need to go inside. You know dinner needs to be made, or the kids are waiting, or your partner wants to talk. But you physically can't move. You just sit there. 5 minutes pass, then 10. You aren't checking your phone. You aren't doing anything. You're just existing. If this sounds like you aren't crazy, and you definitely aren't alone. In fact, psychology says this specific behavior is actually a critical survival mechanism for the modern brain. Welcome to the psychology of the driveway moment. To understand why we hold ourselves hostage in our cars, we first have to look at the American lifestyle. We live in a society that glorifies go, go, go. From the moment your alarm rings, you are performing. You are an employee, a boss, a parent, a partner. You are constantly processing noise, demands, and information. Psychologists call this cognitive overload. By the time you drive home, your brain is fried. Now here is the problem. Your home is not always a place of rest. Home is often just a different set of responsibilities. It's job number 2. This is where boundary theory comes in. Think of your car as an airlock chamber. You are transitioning from the chaotic atmosphere of the outside world to the domestic atmosphere of your home. If you switch environments too fast, you get what experts call role residual. You're still in work mode while trying to hug your kids. The car? The car is the only place on earth where absolutely nothing is expected of you. It is the pause button in a life that feels like it's on fast forward. Let's go deeper. There is a psychological concept called autonomy. It's the human need to feel in control of our own lives. Think about your day. Your boss tells you what to do. The traffic lights tell you when to stop. The clock tells you when to eat. Even at home, the needs of your family dictate your schedule. But inside this metal box, you are the king. You are the queen. You control the temperature to the exact degree. You pick the music or the silence. The doors are locked. The world cannot touch you here. For many people, specifically in the US, where car culture is huge, the vehicle is the only private space left. It's a mobile sanctuary. We spoke to psychologists who suggest that this isn't just about avoiding the house. It's about reclaiming a tiny piece of self-identity. For 15 minutes, you aren't mom or dad or manager. You are just you. Now, who does this the most? While everyone does it occasionally, this behavior is a hallmark trait of introverts and highly sensitive people. If you are an introvert, social interaction drains your battery. Solitude recharges it. After a day of meetings, small talk, and fake smiling, your social battery is at 0. If you walk into your house immediately and someone asks, "How was your day?" you might snap at them, not because you're mean, but because you have no emotional energy left to give. This brings us to the doom scroll. Why do we sit in the driveway and scroll through TikTok or Instagram for 20 minutes? It's not because the content is good. It's a form of dissociation. We are numbing the brain. We are delaying the transition. It's similar to revenge bedtime procrastination, where people stay up late just to feel like they have free time. Driveway sitting is revenge transition procrastination. You are stealing time back from the universe. So far, we've defended this habit. We've called it self-care. But we have to be honest. There is a dark side to the driveway sit. Sometimes we aren't sitting there to decompress. We are sitting there because we are avoiding what is on the other side of that front door. If you find yourself sitting in the car for 30 minutes, 45 minutes, an hour, and you feel a sense of dread or anxiety about unlocking your front door, that is a major psychological red flag. This is no longer decompression. This is avoidance coping. It might signal an unhappy marriage, a toxic roommate situation, or overwhelming parental burnout. Ask yourself this question. Are you sitting here because you love the peace of the car? Or are you sitting here because you fear the stress of the house? The answer makes all the difference. So, is it bad? Should you stop? If you are doing it for 10 to 15 minutes to wash off the stress of the day so you can be a better, more present human when you walk inside, then no, do not stop. That car is your decompression chamber. It's the bridge between the chaos of the world and a sanctuary of your home. Take that time. Breathe. Listen to the end of that song. The emails can wait. The dishes can wait. In a world that demands 100% of your attention, claiming 15 minutes for yourself isn't selfish. It's necessary. Now, I have a question for you, and be honest. What is your record? What is the longest time you have ever sat in your car after getting home? And what were you doing? Were you crying, eating fast food, or just staring at the wall? Let me know in the comments below. I read all of them. If you felt seen by this video, please hit that like button. It helps us find more people like us who are currently hiding in their driveways. And don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the psychology of everyday life. Turn off the engine, take a deep breath, and go inside. See you in the next one.